Find or read reviews that people are talking about WITBOX, C2, Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. 2 10-minute long battery life. WITBOX C2 Robotic Pool Cleaner features a newly upgraded 4500 mAh high-capacity battery and dual powerful motor, ensuring continuous suction for superior cleaning results. A single charge takes only 3.5 hours, providing up to 210 minutes runtime operation, eliminating the need for frequent recharging to complete a full cleaning cycle. Powerful suction and dual water inlets. WITBOX Pool Vacuum for in-ground pools designed to remove leaves, dirt, sand, and fine debris. The combination of powerful suction, dual water inlets, and an extended brush head effectively loosens and removes stubborn dirt from the pool bottom, significantly improving overall cleaning efficiency. The robot automatically balances cleaning power and pool floor protection. Cleaning areas up to 2,200 square feet. This pool vacuum is designed for all sizes of above-ground pools, efficiently cleaning up to 2,200 square feet in a single pass. It operates in various pool shapes, including round, rectangular, and oval. Whether for above-ground or underground pools, it reliably meets your cleaning needs. Reduce restarts and achieve a more thorough cleaning. 2.7 liters large dust basket and 180 micrometer filter. C2 Pool Vacuum for above-ground pool features a large 2.7 liters dust basket and a 180 micrometer filter, holding a large amount of debris while effectively filtering fine particles. This reduces the frequency of emptying the dust basket and ensures consistent suction throughout the cleaning process. It is recommended to clean the filter promptly after each cleaning session to maintain superior cleaning performance. Ultra-lightweight and smart auto-return. The cordless pool cleaner robot provides a tangle-free cleaning experience. When the battery is low, the pool cleaner will intelligently return to its starting position and dock near the pool wall. Our pool robot features a floating handle and a lightweight design, making it easy to quickly and easily retrieve after cleaning. One-button quick start. Our C2 above-ground pool vacuum requires no complicated operation. Simply press the power button, place the robotic pool cleaner in the pool, and the automatic cleaning program will start quickly. This is an easy and convenient solution, freeing you from the tedious work of daily pool maintenance. Suitable for various pool surfaces. Our pool vacuum robot operates at temperatures between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 113 degrees Fahrenheit and is compatible with a wide range of pool surfaces. Whether it's tile, fiberglass, concrete, vinyl, or other common pool surfaces, the pool cleaner can smoothly navigate and provide comprehensive coverage, cleaning every corner of your pool without leaving any blind spots. It won't scratch the surface material and can powerfully remove dirt. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.